What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a Nintendo Switch 2 case. So let's get this open so we can get a look at it. So this is going to be the Nintendo Switch 2 case. This is going to be a nice case. So when you get your unit, it'll be nice and protected. You can see that it's nice and thick. This way it's impact resistant and also wear resistant. So if you get scratches or anything like that, you don't have to worry about it damaging your unit. And once you open it up, you have multiple layers of protection. You have this nice velvet-like material. It feels really nice. And once you look in here, you have a carrying strap if you want to carry around on your shoulder. You have that. You also have a wrist strap. So if you want to carry it on your wrist, you have your information about your case. And then this is where the protection happens. So you have the strap here, undo that, and this is going to protect your case. And also this acts as a stand. So you can use this to view your gaming. If maybe you're traveling or something, this is going to be a perfect little stand for your Nintendo Switch 2. You have a spot for some accessories, and this can hold up to 15 slots for your cartridges. And then your Joy-Cons here, nice slot area. And this is going to protect your unit very well. So when you get your Nintendo Switch 2, you want to make sure that you protect it with a nice case like this, and that way you'll be good to go on the road. So guys, this is going to be the Nintendo Switch 2 case. This is going to be a must accessory to have when you get your unit. So that way you can throw this in your backpack or in the back seat, and you don't have to worry about damaging your unit. So other than that, this is going to be the Nintendo Switch 2 case. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.